Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to watch the Dazn application in Saudi Arabia. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Dazn application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you can see that you need to go ahead and log in with a plan. So to be able to watch Dazn, the first thing you need to do is to have a plan. So what you can do is go ahead and click on get a Dazn plan, or if you already have an account with a plan guys that you can watch, just go ahead and click the sign in button. But guys, before we do that, first we need to set up a VPN that will help us watch from Saudi Arabia, because you cannot watch Dazn from Saudi Arabia. So what we're going to do is go ahead to the App Store on our mobile phone, go ahead and open up the App Store, and then you want to go ahead and click the search bar and search for a VPN. So search for VPN guys, and after searching for a VPN you can see all the recommendations that you have here. You can choose literally any one you want, whichever suits your needs guys. Go ahead and find what you want. You can either use ExpressVPN or TunnelBear. You can even use NordVPN, doesn't matter. And after you find the one you want to use, download it guys and open it up. So all you have to do is just go ahead and connect the VPN to an address from a country that can watch Dazn. So you can connect either to Germany, Japan, or even yet better guys, connect to the United States of America. And from that address guys, you can now go ahead and open up the Dazn application and go ahead and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see all the sports that you can now watch. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.